Radio check.
Radio check. 32378, final 32 Fairland.
Radio check.
On the clear.
Fairland traffic, Grumman 7, CLD is a 2-mile left base from runway 32, southbound, final 5 Fairland. Fairland traffic, Grumman 7, CLD is a short final from runway 32, full south Fairland.
There's a Grumman landing right behind you.
I'll dedicate quickly.
They're about to hit you. They're going to crash at Pearland.
Fairland traffic, 32378, left downwind 32 Fairland.
There's airplanes on the runway.
You okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
My fault.
Actually, I can't tell if they're on the runway.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I can't tell if he's on the runway or if he's on the taxiway.
Sorry.
Regardless, they just crashed, so I don't know if it's safe to land.
Alright, got it. We'll exit the pattern.
Fairland traffic, this is the Fairland Unicom. Runway 1432 is now shut down. All traffic must divert or stay in the pattern. There are no landings. Fairland.
Fairland traffic, Archer 32378, we're departing pattern, exiting west. Fairland.
Yeah, good. They have the runway shut down, right?
Yeah, runway shut down. Two aircraft just crashed.
Nice. So, are you going to cancel your flight?
Yeah, I'm canceling. I'm parking.
Roger that.
Affirmative.
Fairland traffic, Cap 4260, 5 miles to the southeast, RNF 32 straight in approach. Fairland.
Cap 3260, Fairland Unicom.
Yes, Cap 3260, go ahead.
Be advised, there was an incident on Alpha 3. Taxiway Alpha 3 is closed. Personnel will be near the runway, but I'm about to reopen it.
Okay, I'll hold on, and we're going to do a touch and go anyways.
All right. We'll be keeping everybody clear, but just keep an eye out.
Do that. Thanks for the heads up, Cap 4260.